It was early on a bright harvest morning. I strayed down by the banks of Sullane to gaze on such beauties of nature as grace every woodland and lawn. Oh, the prospect was surely enchanting as gay lassies and juveniles bloom, promenaded by the banks of that river that flows by the town of Macroom. I've been airy and fond of recreation. To the river I venture to rove. When weary of my ramblings and roving, I sat myself down by a grove. I sat there some time meditating, till the sun its bright rays had withdrawn, till a damsel of queenly appearance came down by the banks of Sullane. Well, we walked and we talked on together, inhaling the bright pleasant air, until then in a voice most alarmed she says, see, my father goes there. His presence to me was appalling, with his cross angry look and his frown, which pierced through my heart like an arrow on my way back to sweet Massey town. And it's now I've retired from my roving, with a heart full of sorrow and grief. There is no one on earth can console me, or give me one moment's relief. And I will roam through the African desert until death summons me to my tomb, for the sake of the charming fair Helen that I met near the town of Macroom.